Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, and today I'm back here with another valuable video to help you guys make some money online for free. This is how you can make money online for free any day you want to, whenever you want to. Now, this isn't any get rich quick scheme, but over time, once you get it, you can make a lot of money. As you can see, people in here over, this is over time. I don't know how long this person's been on here, but he's earned $170,000. He had 90,000 leads. All right, this person here, $1,500, 800 leads. So this is a free CPA network, right? Um, it took me a while to learn how to use this, but now I figured it out. As you can see, I haven't even promoted this. I recently just learned this, so I want to bring it to you guys, so that we could all kill it together. So CPA, if you don't know, is cost per action. This is just a platform that you can use. Now, if you sign up to CPA Grip, you can either use the link below this video, or you can just go ahead and go to the website. Either way, um, what CPA is cost per action, meaning when someone enters their name and email or fills out a survey or anything like that, you'll get paid for it. Okay, you can get paid anywhere from a few bucks, a few cents, and I'll just go to some of the offers so you can go ahead and see. Now, this is absolutely free. It isn't like Max Bounty or anything like that, where you have to go through a whole process. You just sign up and you automatically have an account. Okay. Now, as you can see, some of these payouts are really small, 25 cents. A dollar 30. I mean, $1.73 per lead. You click payouts up here, you get a little bigger payouts. All right. So anytime someone enters their name and email in one of these, you'll get paid. Okay. This website, sometimes I'm not sure. See, it'll tell you desktop. So honestly, I don't know if they just mean desktop traffic or mobile traffic, because sometimes when I click on this, sometimes the actual page doesn't show up. But I'm going to get into something really important here in just a second. So if I click on that, let's see if it says the exact same thing. See, I'm on the desktop, so Galaxy S9, Galaxy S9, perfect. Okay, so if someone was to go through this and they were to, answer these questions, they'll say yes, just picks random stuff, and at the end it should have me put in my email. Bingo. Once they put their email in, I got whatever, piece of money right there. All right. So what you guys could do is, you could take things like this, make a Facebook page around it, a Facebook fan page. You could run an ad to it if you like, or you could do some type of giveaway. Free gift cards. They got all kinds of stuff in here. Get $100 Visa card, and then you could run a promotion. You don't even have to run an ad necessarily, you guys. All you have to do is, let's say you're doing a contest. So you would go to Google, you would type in a picture of, say, like $100 Visa card, and just say, hey, I'm giving away a few $100 Visa cards, because whoever wins is going to get the Visa cards. But or you could just buy them yourself, or the gift cards. Say I'm giving away three, $100 gift cards to the person, to a random person. Like, share, comment on this video. I mean, on this post, and then once they start to like and share it, it'll go viral. Okay, once it goes viral, you can actually post that in Facebook famous groups and things like that. If you guys are not in these Facebook famous groups, I would definitely do that. Look at all these members, and it's a lot of younger crowd, and they love the idea of making money. So, what you could do is, post that, say, hey, I have these $100 gift cards I'm giving away for free. The only thing you have to do is like, comment, and share this post. Once they share it, more people are going to continue to share it. And I've seen posts blow up. I've seen posts, do 35,000 likes. I mean, and 500 something shares, and people are going crazy. Once it starts to go viral, what you would do is you would go in here, you would grab the link, whatever link it is that you want. So let's say I click this, it gives you a link. You would go get this link, okay? And then you would go to something like Bitly or URL shortener. So say copy the link, and I'll go to Bitly to kind of show you guys what you could do. You will go to Bitly, and this just shortens your link, so it's not a big link that you're promoting, okay? And then you will paste it here, and then it will shorten your link for you. See, it shortened the link. You can give it a title if you want to. You could say something like $100 gift cards free or something like that. Okay, so now once you save it, okay, it says invalid, but once you guys save this link, you would copy it, paste it inside the Facebook post that's going viral. People are gonna click it, go through the process of submitting, and then you're gonna get, you know, however many dollars or whatever per person. All right, that's a way you can make a killing. Okay, with this. But one of the main reasons I wanted to show you guys was this. It's called content locking. All right, this is one of the main reasons I wanted to get to this. All right, so let me go here. Once you go to monetization tools, you go down here to content locking, video lockers, all these. But just go to content locking. All right. So this here, and I made this as an example to show you guys something. All right. So let's say a new episode of Love and Hip Hop comes out, or a new episode of whatever your favorite show is, or whatever. It could be anything, any kind of training or anything. Let's just say something comes out that a lot of people don't know about on the internet. You find it, you want to lock it up. Okay, I use Love and Hip Hop because I've seen a lot of people do this, which is really smart. So a new episode of Love and Hip Hop comes out. People want to see it, right? Some people who don't have cable, they want to see it. So what people do is they will go to YouTube. Let's go to YouTube. They would go to youtube.com. They would type in the actual episode. So let's say it's Love and Hip Hop Atlanta episode 3, right? People are going to be searching for this because they want to see, you know, the episode. So they search for it. So let's just say Love and Hip Hop, just to give you guys an example of where I'm going with this. Okay. So they would search Love and Hip Hop, right? The video will pop up. So let's say I clicked on this, right? And then what happens is a message pops up on the screen, not on this video because this is probably an actual video, but a message will pop up on the screen and it will say something like, if you want to view this episode, click the link in the description, right? And so people click the link in the description, and the link is actually a content locking link. So when you content lock, you're locking some content up, and in order for someone to retrieve that content, they will have to fill out a survey or some type of game. So I'll kind of give you guys a example. All right. So let's say this is just a BS example I just put together just for this purpose. Let's see, it'll pop up. But so let's say this was the screen. See it pop up. Bingo. All right. So you can change whatever you want to in the background. Okay, so this can be the actual video, and the reason why it didn't pop up immediately is because I said it that way. So what happens is they'll click the link in the description, a video or whatever you put in the background of here will start to play for about 5 seconds. You can set the time, right? And then this will pop up, and in order for them to finish, they would have to click. So as you can see, I can't click off of this page. I'm clicking, can't click off. They would have to fill out one of these in order for them to view the rest of the episode. Pure genius, right? So they have to. So they'll click on one of these. They'll go ahead and fill it out. And guess what? You're getting paid all the time. All right? Every time somebody does that. Now, you can do this with, I've seen people do it with like a really, really good one was a guy had like a YouTube software that gives you like tons of views or something. And what he did was he'll have you paste your YouTube video in there, and then you would press start, and then it will show you how many views you're getting, right? So you got up to like 100,000 views or something really quick. And then what happened is he would stop it, and he would say, in order to access this video with your views, in order for these views to actually go on your video, you have to fill out a survey. I was like, that is pure genius. Pure genius, man. He was killing it. So these are some different things that you guys can use. All right. Now, it's fairly easy to set up. Sometimes it does get a little complicating, but I just want to show you guys this for this video purpose. So this is what it looks like when you click create. You know, you could just name it whatever you want to. So I'll just say Love and Hip Hop or something like that. And then, another thing that usually gets people is right here. You say human verification. All right. and you can put that directly in the middle. Bingo. So instead of it saying, in order to get this, it will just pop up as a human verification. All right. Um, and so in order you have it'll basically pop up saying you have to verify that you're a human being, so you have to fill out one of these surveys in order to continue to grab the content. Okay. Once that happens, they will have to fill it out, and then you'll get paid. All right, it's that simple, you guys. And you can go in here change, the access time. Tease time is when you want it to pop up. So if you have a video or a training or something, you can say I wanted to pause. I wanted to show the video for about 6 seconds, and then this message pops up. Or you want them to get into it for a good 20 seconds, and then this pops up. In order to finish, they have to fill this out. All right. So this stuff, it can make you a lot of money. Hopefully this sparks some kind of idea in you guys' head that you could use to make some money. Now, when it get to here, this is how you can add your background URL. You would just simply go here to whatever picture that you find. You would share, and then you would just copy, I believe, just copy this URL. I believe that's what it is. All right, and then from there, where did I go? I lost it. Oh, here we go. Okay, from there you would just paste right here. And then I believe it should show up. Let's see. It's something like that. I only did it once, so I don't really know exactly. But I'm pretty sure that's exactly how you do it. So you would just paste the background URL here that you want to, show up in the background of here. And then you could also do this with like gamers and a lot of people who play games. All this other stuff you don't really need to worry about, except for like I believe it's like this is going to actually control the actual background. Okay, so that is content locking, guys, and that's CPA marketing on a basic level. Now, if this helped you, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, share this video with as many people. Hopefully, like I said, this sparks some type of idea, and you can come up with something way more creative with this and kill it. You know what I mean? You can do, wonders with this stuff. And so if that helped you, please give me a subscribe and a like on this video. And then if you have any other questions, concerns, I will be here to help you. I also have a lot of training. I have training courses in the description below, as well as different ways that I make money online. So if you're interested in that, that's all in the description as well. With that being said, guys, I'm out. Be looking for another video here in the next couple of days, and I'll see you later. Peace.